What's up, everybody? Alright. But I don't know if y'all can see because our cameraman's not here today. But let's put this over here. Just want to show you this gap here. Whoever took this apart before broke it, left a few screws out. So I'll find a screw to replace that one, and once I get this apart, I'll put all this back together and we'll glue it, and we'll go over that. But for right now, I want to rotate this thing the way it sits in the truck. It's going to sit in the truck just like that. That's going to be over on the passenger side. You got this wiring harness that drapes over top, and you got a wire that goes to the back to these actuators, motors, whatever you want to call them. One of the doors in here wasn't working. I can't remember which one Jim said, but we got all three of them. I'll open a box here and show you what we got. Get a new little actuator motor doohickey thingamajiggers. But yeah, so we'll replace all those. But go ahead and take your phone, take pictures of the wiring harness, how it's routed. You don't want to put it back in the truck and then put the dash in and something be pinched or kinked and grounding out or catching on fire or something like that. Yeah. So document your wires, and then so this is going to be your evaporator here, and this is going to be your heater core. So you got heater hoses and you got AC lines that goes in. So we got both of them right here. I believe that's the heater core and evaporator core there. And I'm gonna go ahead and tear into this thing. I think I'm gonna start with the wire, get the wires out of the way, then we'll separate the box and get the cores out. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. They're across the street doing dyno pulls if you can't hear.
We like that.
Yeah, we like that noise. So like I was saying, take pictures. Maybe a little overboard, but who cares? Maybe a little excessive snapping. Always wear your safety glasses when you're using a sharp object. Gotta be very gentle with this stuff. It's old and brittle. Looks like we got some jerry rigging going on here. Give me a second, let me find me a bolt bend. Alright y'all, got me a little bucket to put my screws in. I'm gonna keep up with your screws now. Be careful and pull it apart. That's probably how they broke it the last time. Got, I don't know if you can see, it's got a little glue in there. That glue. You can work it apart. there's your little blower motor assembly. See all that dirt in there? We're going to vacuum all that out. See all that? A little duct tape. Somebody done fixed it before. There was a hole in the side of it. And this piece here is broken. That's where that screw goes through and holds it in. We'll have to fix it somehow. And there's your heater cord. Y'all, so you can see where it was broken.
Looks like you were my buddy. Now I'm going to kill you in your sleep.
Did he bite you?
No, he yelped because I rolled him over. It's all right, buddy. Didn't mean it. No, you were comfy.
I'm gonna try to not break this old raggedy stuff. Alright, so there's your evaporator. Hey, oh, I thought he was taking off after something. Alright,
Give me it. Come on.
we'll leave it to go. I think any part of this broke other than missing a couple of screws.
Dumb. I still have it.
See, it broke there.
Come on.
So we'll figure out a way to glue all this together. So that's how you get it out, but I'm gonna go grab some supplies and I'll be back with you here in just a second.
Jim's playing with the dog instead of working.
Jim's over here playing fetch with Petey.
Good boy. Good boy. Ready?
He's born ready.
I'm probably sooner or later going to knock him in the head with that piece of wood. Come on.
So Jim's been hard at it over here.
Closer. Closer. Give me that wood. Closer. Get that. Get it. Get it. Get it. See?
Dogs ain't the smartest, but they are.
No, they're smart, but they ain't the smartest. He's like, I know you're going to throw it out here, so I'm going to make you halfway.
We're gonna get
Sit.
tiger. We're gonna get a tiger next.
Sit. We are getting a tiger. White one. Sit.
One of them Bengal ones.
Sit. Yeah, from Maine.
Like the one that
A
ate.
Bangor tiger.
The one that ate the magic, whatever it is.
Yeah.
The magician. See was it Siegfried and what was his name?
Siegfried and Roy?
Yeah.
I think so.
One of them got ate by a tiger. I know
Yeah.
that, man.
Oh, hey.
I don't know.
Don't, you know what? Tiger and a pet, dude. I don't care who you are. But anyway, we're still working on this. I've been on it maybe 20 minutes or so. It's boring. It's, you know, one of probably the least fun jobs you could possibly do, but it's all good. I'm about a little more than halfway done, so we'll get. I'll show you. Ugh, Pete, he's like, throw the damn stick. Apparently, the dog won't let me do what I got to do, so.
It's a little needy sometimes.
Somebody came in today and said, "How's he get along with the cats?" I'm like, "What cats?" No, he gets along fine with the cats. I guess. I haven't seen him since he came, so I guess they get along fine. You like Matt's safety glasses?
I don't know if they can see me. I think
Yeah.
I just get you in there.
Always wear safety glasses. You don't have to wear them doing this. You can. I mean, the glasses that we generally wear, you can wear all day and they don't get in your way. But we're going to have some of them for you too, because after what happened to Matt, and long before that, I've been to the hospital a bunch of times with shrapnel in my eyes and, you know, this and that's probably why I'm half blind now. But hey, no, that's mine. The dog tried to take that's mine.
Pete, go lay down somewhere, boy. Playtime's over.
So we're going to have some safety glasses available to all you guys too. And you buy them if you want to buy them, but we recommend that you wear them. And they're good ones too. So we'll be back with you here in a couple minutes.
Yeah.
We probably ought to get some lunch. That's what I miss about
Panel
Austin
bun?
is
Oh man, what you thinking about today?
lunch. I like them little chicken things.
Today we gotta.
He's going to come in at 3 o'clock and go, "What about lunch?" You had it at 3 o'clock
You
yesterday.
already ate?
Yeah.
I ate a honey bun 2 weeks ago.
All right. Project creep continues. Now we're doing a windshield. It's got a chip in it, and it's got the tent stripe. I hate those tent stripes. I like the factory ones, but not this is 16-year-old kid kind of stuff. I just don't like it. But this is Terry, the glass guy. And give me your phone number. What's your phone number?
615-260-7211.
Give him a call if you need glass. But we've got it all stripped out, so we made it kind of easy on him today. So we're just going to put it on time lapse and let you watch Terry do his thing. So give me a break.
Sitting right there, you wanna move it?
I'm not going to break it.
You're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna break yourself.
No, that's going to be a pain in the butt to get it out because I broke it.
Hey Jim, cut your butt.
What?
Your butt.
Nice. Sandpaper, I keep spares.